Why do millions of Muslims wear white and gather in Makkah every year? What's so special about this journey that it becomes a pillar of Islam? Let's discover the beautiful meaning behind Hajj, step by step. Hajj is a pilgrimage to the holy city of Makkah that every Muslim must make once in their life, if they are physically and financially able. It happens in the month of Zulhijjah, the last month of the Islamic calendar. Definition: Hajj means to intend or to journey towards. It's not just a trip, it's a spiritual mission of worship, sacrifice, and unity. Allah Azza wa Jalla made Hajj the fifth pillar of Islam, mentioned in the Quran and taught by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Quran reference: Surah Ali Imran, and due to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house for whoever is able to find thereto a way. Explanation: Hajj is a command from Allah showing our obedience and surrender to Him. It reminds us of Prophet Ibrahim a.s. trust in Allah. Everyone wears white, no rich or poor, all are equal before Allah. During Hajj, Muslims perform sacred acts like Tawaf around the Kaaba, Sa'i between Safa and Marwa, standing in Arafah, the heart of Hajj, offering a sacrifice like Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Hajj teaches us patience, gratitude, equality, and reminds us of the Day of Judgment. Hajj is not just a trip, it's a journey of the heart. It washes away sins and brings a Muslim closer to Allah like never before. May Allah invite all of us to His house one day. Ameen. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quran with Tajweed for more beautiful Islamic lessons.